Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Manage Users section of the Settings tab. So let's begin. The Manage User tool is where you can add usernames and passwords to grant users access to your website admin. You can also manage users to update their credentials, information, and roles. There are two main types of users. First, there are administrative users. These users have access to all station tasks for the website except managing usernames. These users are not associated with any staff, DJ, or personal account. When adding an administrative user, ignore the optional personnel field on the Add User screen. There are also staff, DJ, and personnel users. These users will only have access to their assigned personality or personnel account. You assign the personality account by using the drop-down list next to the user, which will assign them as a regular jock user. If you do not see the person's name in the list, the person needs to be added under the Tools, On-Air Tools, and Personalities and Staff section. If you do not see the person's name in the drop-down list, the person needs to be added under the Tools, On-Air Tools, and Personalities and Staff section of our admin. Let's go through an example. I'm going to add myself as a new user. I'm going to add myself as a personality user, so I'm going to go in the drop-down menu, click my name, and then Add User. Once you've added the users, you can further designate tasks by clicking on the role or yellow pencil icon next to the user's name. So I'm going to scroll down and find my name and click the yellow icon. As you can see, there's quite a few different roles that you can assign to your users. These top three, Station Manager, Super User, and Super Jock, are the administrative users. These users have access to all station tasks for the website except managing usernames. The rest of these roles listed below are considered the staff, DJ, or personnel users. These roles are to limit users to specific tools or sections. Once you have assigned a role to your user, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Right now, I'm logged in as an admin, thus I have access to all these different features over here. However, if I logged in as the account I just made, since I'm a personnel account, I will not be able to see all this information here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this account so I can show you what that looks like. As you can see in the top right hand corner here, it says Viewing as Payton. Since I'm logged in as my personnel account, I now have very limited access to specific tools or sections. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.